Hey everyone, Mike with Lawn Addictions. I'm out doing some yard work today. I shot some video before. This one here, I'm not going to use it because well, I just got done mowing and what I was talking about shows up actually much better after I mowed. So we'll scrap that and start with this one. So I'm looking at the update from my weeds spray that I did a couple weeks ago, and I'm not 100% without looking how long. I'm guessing 3 weeks. And my backyard was just a crazy salad of weeds and some grass, and we've made some progress. It's killed a lot of weeds. I've got a lot of yellowing still going on. The grass seems to be thicker, so that's a plus. I can show you some of these spots that were real bad, but before we go, I guess you can't tell. Can you see the stripes? Look at that. It ain't much, but my goodness, that makes me happy. Anyway, let's get to the So, this was this area, pretty much from the shed and that tree back towards the woods. It's just crazy weeds. I didn't spray any of this, and I probably will, but it's hard to keep up with this on this edge here because it's the woods. But let me put the weed whacker down. We get down in here and we can still see weeds. You know, some clover, broadleaf. You can see some of the yellowing going on. There's a little bit of creeping Charlie, deer prints. But you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, the sun's right on it, that it is working. Most likely going to need a separate application. But if you look at the mow line, yeah, it's bad right at the line. I probably should spray a little bit more, but as we go along, you can see some little bit of yellowing, but not much. Look at all the weeds. Yeah. Look at that's the difference. Just a little bit of weed control can do, but I just mowed with my regular Craftsman's mower today. Look at those stripes. So I don't have any striper kit or anything on my mower. I plan to get one, but so I mean, I got a steel rod in the little flap that just weighs it down. You know, probably weighs 2 or 3 pounds. But, yeah, I'm happy. That's beautiful. You know, the little things in life. Why can't everybody just get out on the lawn and mow? Probably solve most of the world's problems. Just you. Mother Nature